guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are back. I missed you guys and I have another video for you. It's going to be an unboxing video. I got a little something, I couldn't help it. You'll see why when you see it, but if you have a guess, like if you want to guess, comment down below. But don't forget to subscribe if you like luxury hauls, fashion hauls, hair tutorials, all of that good stuff. Like and subscribe, and thank you for coming back for another video. I really appreciate it, you guys. When you guys subscribe and comment and all that stuff, it means the world to me. So thank you for coming back for another video. But let's get started. So I have a unboxing, a little Chanel unboxing. I ordered this from my sales associate. She sent me some pictures of some items, and I wasn't actually looking for something, but I wanted something this color because I missed out on the, I think it was the 19B or A collection, I can't remember, with the pink iridescent. I love that collection, and I'm still debating if I want to get something from that collection because I love it. And I went to my essay back then. She's like, oh no girl, there's nothing left. I waited way too long for that. So when I saw this, I had to jump on it because, okay, so this is from the 20A collection, and I will show you. The color is white metal, which to me, it looks a little bit different. It looks more like an iridescent color, like a pink iridescent. You let me know what you guys think, but that's what I feel like it looks like. So I'm gonna unbox it. It came beautifully wrapped with a camellia and wrapped by my beautiful essay. I love these camellias. They're so cute. Who doesn't love Chanel wrapping though? For reals. It's so beautiful. So it's tiny, so guess what it is down below. I'd love to hear what you think. Honestly, I love my Chanel. I don't know what this one is exactly called, but I love this little pouch, card holder, wallet, whatever you want to call it. I think this is so sturdy. It fits a ton. I really like Chanel's SLGs. So I wanted to add something to my collection. I just wasn't sure what I wanted to add. And then I seen this. She sent me a picture. I'll put the picture right here. But it is so pretty. Look at you guys. The packaging comes with the little Chanel, the receipts in here, and then the little care instructions are right here. It says Chanel. So cute. And then I'll link this down below if I can find it. But I am in love. It's so cute. I haven't opened this, you guys, so this is a true unboxing. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to, and also actually I'm going to go check out a bag this weekend, I think, because I'm on the hunt for a certain bag from Chanel before the price increase. I know the price increase is coming, so I'm like, I might as well get it now before the price increase again in the holidays, so I'm going to be doing that soon. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is beautiful. It's stunning in person. I don't know if it's coming off as its true color, but it's this beautiful kind of pink iridescent. Now, can you guys see it? I don't know if you can see the beautiful color, but it's this beautiful pink iridescent color. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it's got the little lock thing, the little lock hardware right there. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Comes with the little paper so it doesn't get scratched. And that's what comes in it. It's got the this is what it is. This is the name of it if you guys are interested. This is the number. I don't know if it's coming out. It's the 20A collection in the, it's the flap card holder in the white metal. So pretty. It's got the authenticity card, which is important, and it's got another little card thingy. So it's made in Italy. says it right there. That's what it looks like inside. It's got like a little flap right here. I don't know if you can see it, but you know what? This is like kind of like the same one as this card holder. So these are the two that I have. I think this is in lambskin or no, it's caviar, I believe. And they're about the same size. They're just different styles. They're in the back, it's the same, the bottom, and then the side. They both have, so this one has change in it. It's the same thing. It's made in France though. So it's inside, it's got the beautiful maroon leather, or maroon lining, and it's got a pocket right here, and it's got the button closure. So that's the same thing with this one. It's got the pocket right here, but it's like a pink, really light pink lining, and a pocket right here too. So you can fit a lot in here. And you know what? This one is, I don't know what kind of leather it is. Does it say? I'll have to ask my essay what kind of leather it is because I'm not sure. It says it's a beige color, but this looks very pink, very light pink iridescent. I don't know if you can see it. Beautiful. But yeah, that is my new purchase. I love it. It's just a little SLG to add to my bags. I really love Chanel's SLGs. I should get more. I kind of want like a regular card holder. I might pick that up when I go. We'll see. Yeah, I just love their SLGs. I feel like they hold up very well. I think I've had this one for a year, maybe a little over a year, and it is pretty good. And I actually like to use this one a lot. I'm using my Louis Vuitton one right now, but I always go to this one. So this is going to be my new one. But I just think it's so pretty. I just love it. So yeah, if you guys like these unboxings, like this video and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And thank you so much for coming to another video, and I will see you guys next week. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on social media and like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!